Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so you know our practice here. I'll be putting everything that you need to know, from prices, product codes, SKU, product features. All you need to do is ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot for your personal reference. And for pre-orders, kindly check with your CAs or the website. Guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin. Let us start first with the Cruise 2025 Runway collection. First, we have the Mini Square Trunk Acanto, launching November 8, 2024. Price is 12,000 euro. We have SKU here. So this is a runway piece. The material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It has the Art Nouveau or the rising smoke detail on the S-lock, as you could see. So we have another one, the Camera Box Cologne. Price of this one is 7,500 euro. Still part of the Cruise 2025 collection. So once I have more bags from the Cruise 2025 Runway collection, guys, kindly stay tuned. I'll be creating a separate vlog for you. So this comes with a top handle and two straps, chain strap, and an adjustable leather shoulder strap. Then next collection, we have the men's Spring Summer 2025 pre-collection, the Monogram Heritage. First, we have Keepall 55. This collection is launching November 14th this year. Price of this one is 2,850. The monogram canvas is in the yellow colorway with cowhide leather trims. As you are noticing, one of the features of this collection is the detachable plate number bag tag. Same with this Avenue Sling bag, price at 2,000 euro. We have SKU here. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. The colorway of this one, guys, is Heritage Yellow, and this is the close-up of the detachable plate number bag tag. It would come with canvas strap, so you could wear this one as a bum bag style. Next, guys, next collection, we have the COLORMANIA collection round 2. So we are going to discuss exclusively the passport holder. So this collection is launching November 7th as well. Price of the passport holder is 445 USD. So this one, the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim, and the cowhide leather, the color is vert borneo, or it looks like green, bottle green. Next card holder, the colorway of this one is blue indigo. So the price of this one is 445 USD. So as you can see, this is the interior, the blue indigo interior. I'm loving the contrast of the classic monogram canvas in brown, and of course the leather cowhide trims in the blue indigo. Next is the Louis Vuitton Clooney Mini. So price of this one is 2,280 USD, launching November 1st, 2024. So the material of this one is the bean with cowhide leather trims, as you can see here. This is a mini size with detachable leather strap, gold hardware, and key clochettes. Next on the collection, guys, this is so cute. So please take note, Nano Speedy. This is one of my favorite that will be launching November 14, 2024. Price is 2,210 USD. This is a New York exclusive. Wow. So this one, material is monogram canvas. It would come with the Vivian charm that is fully detachable with the New York design as well. Next, we have the Portcarts magnet. Apologies if I mispronounced that one. So this one would be launching September 26, 2024. Price of this one is 330 euro. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So this one, monogram Macassar, it has a MagSafe technology for iPhone model. So I'm guessing, guys, these are the SLGs that you are going to snap on at the back of your cell phone. And since this is magnetized, so it's saying that it's MagSafe technology, so it would not ruin your iPhone for that matter. So again, Portcarts magnet. This one is in the canvas print with the leather trims. Price is €330. And then next on this one, this very beautiful Getaway Messenger. So for the price, please do stand by, but just kindly take note of the SKU and the launch date, which is September 26, 2024. Material is the very beautiful Amprant leather, monogram shadow, color is noir. Unfortunately, the strap is non-detachable, but we are also going to notice that it has the very beautiful matte black hardware. Then another version of the Getaway Messenger would be the Eclipse monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So guys, same with the bag a while ago. Price, please do stand by, but just kind of take note and screenshot the SKU with the launch date here, so you can check with your CAs, or once available, I'll be posting on our community wall. So please stand by for that one. Next, very beautiful quiet luxury style of bag. We have Sunset Vibe. Price of this one is €2,700 or $3,350. We have SKU here. Material is dark leather. So this is from the dark leather collection with a monogram canvas trim. So we have here the shoulder strap, one side is detachable, but you cannot fully detach it. Next, we have the Monserrate PM Vive. Price of this one is €3,400 or $4,300. Launching of the dark leather collection is August 30th, 2024. So very beautiful backpack style. So it comes with canvas backpack straps, and it comes with fully detachable chain strap as well. Next, we have the George's pouch. Price of this one is €3,300. We have SKU here. Launch date of this one would be later this year. So again, once we have the exact date, I'll be posting on our community wall. So it features the very expensive Millissimi leather silver hardware with detachable wristlets. Next on the collection, we have the George's Tote MM. So same launch date later this year, but the price of this one is $10,100. So Millissimi leather collection, it would come with silver hardware. The color of this one is grass, detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. Next, guys, so we have the Capucine Mini from the Heritage Crown collection. So this collection would be launching September 27, 2024. Price of this mini is $6,400. So material is leather with crown embellishments, as we could see here close up, with detachable leather weave plus chain strap, and the colorway of this one is blue or like navy. Then we have Capucines size BB launching September 27th with the price of $7,100. From the Heritage Crown collection, material is leather with crown embellishments with detachable leather strap, and the colorway of this one, it's quartz. Next, we have the Capucine size MM. Price of this one is $7,700. We have SKU here. So how beautiful is this contrast from the noir leather with the Heritage Crown embellishment, as we could see here. So it would come with detachable leather weave chain strap. Again, colorway is noir. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. Also, please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romerofy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!